It gave up already?
Well,
It might take off again.
either that or we swim in the boat.
I want to see it.
You have a free boat, Sydney.
A free boat.
Ain't nothing out. Everything's picked up.
If she needs to move around
Shoot it.
Keith or what? I mean, I don't know what. There's no point in keeping a big, huge shark. I mean, if he's a 4 foot shark, maybe.
You know why we get caught that fish?
I wanted to hit mine. You want to?
Take off that quick, like it's quick.
Oh. Because I let him take it. He hit it. He hit it. He missed it. I gave it to him some more. Real feeling.
Step back and let me get Jake.
He gonna see that boat and go bye-bye.
He's about a 12-footer.
Well, get him in the boat.
Oh, yeah, Jake let him go for a little bit. He's like, see him? Storm's going north, ain't it?
Well, you don't want to horse him. The last time we horsed him, that knot will break.
Come on, baby. You're going to be hurting tomorrow. You working them guns, honey. You working them guns.
Stay button. Make sure you're checking the line.
Yeah, see if he's tail wrapped.
No, and the line on the reel. Going on there even.
Yeah.
Good advertisement for hook and tackle right there. You got your tickets?
Good, yeah.
I just want to see this thing.
Alright, reel down.
Boy, we got a good looking crew on this boat. Yeah, we do. Annie and I handpicked this family. I want y'all to know. We assured ourselves some fine looking children.
Oh, I see paint.
Do you? Yeah. Oh, I do too.
Ooh.
Good job, Sydney. Brought that daddy to the boat.
Oh, reel.
Oh, there it is. I see it. There it is, baby. You see it? he's got something in his mouth. Oh, he's nice.
Down.
Nice.
Is that a hammerhead?
It ain't a dolphin.
He's a hammerhead.
Nice.
Down.
I think he's about to take off on you.
Oh, is that a full call leader?
Yeah, leader on the steamer.
Is it a hammerhead?
Yes.
Is it?
Yep.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Well, we ain't eating that, and he ain't coming in the boat. He's got teeth all the way across his... Oh, he's nice. Nice size.
Oh,
Cut him and let him go.
That is awesome.
Check him out.
That's not
It's a bull. It's a bull.
oh, that's pretty cool.
Sick.
I think that's a bull shark, Randy.
Let's see if we can grab him.
Can we eat him?
Bring him up.
No, he's too big.
Here.
He's too big, I think.
Here, sit.
Back up
back
this
up.
way.
Yeah, back up.
And pull him to me. I'm going to grab him by his tail.
Hey, Dustin's gonna take your head. They would turn around and bite your head.
Yeah.
We watched Mad Fish Shark Series.
You're not touching him.
Hold on.
Oh, that's all right. Let him run. Whoop, don't touch it. Yeah, Tanya, don't touch that.
Let him run. Help it out. Help it out.
Yeah, get the run.
Oh, yeah.
Man, he took off again, didn't he?
How do y'all want to unhook?
We're not touching that fish.
Well, I know.